Tara mga katropa, sa vlog na ito ay magluluto tayo nitong ating recipe which is itong tofu chicken balls curry. So here's our ingredients: celery, carrots, potatoes, curry powder, flour, ground black pepper, salt, sugar, garlic, onions, red chili, bay leaf, and chicken cubes, chicken balls, and fried tofu. First, we will saute garlic. Next is onions. Next is red chili. Next is chicken balls. So make sure that you will mix chicken balls all together until it golden brown. Next is the fried tofu. Then mix them again all together. Next we will put flour for the sauce, and then we will mix them together again so that the mixture will be reflected into the flour. So we will pour water for the sauce, and then we will mix them all together until the flour will be reflected into our mixture. We will put chicken cubes. This will give an additional taste in our recipe. Then we will mix them again so that the chicken cubes will be reflected into our recipe. We will put carrots, then potatoes, and then mix them together. So we will set aside this for about 3 to 5 minutes in a low to medium heat. At tatakpan natin siya. After 3 to 5 minutes, we will put bay leaf. So ito yung magpapalinamnam at magpapabango dito sa ating recipe. So halu-haluin nyo lang siya mga katropa. And next, ilalagay na natin itong curry powder. And you will mix them again so that the curry powder will be reflected in our recipe. Next is salt, sugar to balance the taste, and then mix them together again gently. So ngayon mga katropa, once na pag natuyot yung sabaw o yung sauce nitong ating recipe is maglalagay tayo ng tubig. So kailangan mapanatili natin yung kanyang sauce. Make sure that you will maintain the sauce of our recipe. So like this. Then if natutuyot, lagyan nyo ng tubig. Ngayon ilalagay na natin itong ating celery. So this will give an additional aroma and taste to our tofu chicken balls curry. Then we will put ground black pepper, and then we will gently mix them together. Now, iset aside natin ito and ready na natin ito for plating. Tada! Here's our tofu chicken balls curry made by Joms for you. Try and taste this because you will so enjoy and you will so inspire if you taste this our recipe.